are you today?
Morning,
Morning,
sir.
sir.
Morning, sir.
Good.
I'm good.
Hi.
Okay, good, yeah. Hopes all of you had in a good positions. So, welcome back to our class. And today we will learn more about how to commenting online. Okay, let's see. So, before we start our class, let us pray before. Okay? Let the prayer begin. May your prayer never end. All right. So, how is your enthusiasm for this topic, guys?
Oh, I'm so enthusiastic, sir.
Oh, you're so enthusiastic. Okay, then let's just go forward to the first activity. Then you will develop the ability to critically analyze how written and spoken interpersonal text function within online interaction and integrate this understanding with high levels of accuracy and fluency. By examining authentic examples of online communication, you will learn to critically evaluate and critique these text, further strengthening your accuracy and fluency in analyzing interpersonal discourse. So, if you guys remember, our past material is about how can we commenting online. So now we will still going for that material. It's just in different subjects. Okay, next of our word. This is the way. Okay, there is a pre-activity, guys. So answer the questions. Let's answer it all together from 1 to 3, okay? So first, have you ever commented on online posts?
Yes,
Yes, sir.
we have.
Okay. Do you usually commenting the positive or the negative side of a post?
Positive.
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 Oh, positive, not negative, yeah. Not negative,
Hopefully
yeah.
not.
Hopefully not. All right. Okay, now how do you reacting to a negative comment online? Okay, yes, Nashwa, please.
Yes, sir. I would like to answer the third question. How do you reacting to a negative comment online? So I will try to stay calm and not take it personally. Either I ignore it or I respond it politely if I feel the comment needs clarification.
Okay, yes. Thank you, Nashwa. That's right. You need to evaluate it more, maybe just ignore it, yeah, because you don't want to be spreaded by the negativity. Okay, yeah. There is a note to learners. Uh, wait, a little bit, yeah, okay. Not to learners. So who wants, may I ask someone to read? Okay, Nashwa again. Okay.
So, note to learners, when giving your opinion, stay focused on your pronunciation, fluency, vocabulary, grammar, and the detail you include so that your ideas are clear and easy to understand. Thank you.
Okay, thank you again, Nasra.
What if your comment makes her sad? She might have worked hard on it.
Okay, good job, Floran. But I might like to uh try to express a bit. So you were saying were, they were, yeah, not were, yeah, they were.
Okay, they
Okay,
were.
yeah, that's right. And then there is also laughing. So th in English are not pronounced, guys, for everyone. Th in English pronounced more like f. So laughing.
Laughing.
Yes, precisely
Okay.
correct. Thank you, Floren. Next, if
Promised
I'm
to always think before they comment online.
okay, thank you, Dira. So, just as Floren, I would like to correct something, not only for Floren and Indira, yeah, but also for everyone. Uh, in English, there are something called a silent letter. A silent letter is a letter that you are not pronouncing. So, it's like a cheat way actually in English because it sometimes makes the word easier to pronounce. So, for example, in here there is bright. You are not pronouncing it bright like the with W, just right, just right.
Right.
Yeah,
Right.
right. And then
Okay.
there is also the usual ed. Although something like in Lilia added, Indira pronunciation is actually correct. However, in stop it, stop, it should be pronounced stop. So the E is unpronounced. Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah. Everyone, it's okay if you guys make uh think about this a little bit confused because even I am actually also confused about these rules. Yeah, the grammatical rules in English is so hard, but it's okay. I know you guys have the ability to do that. Even be better than me. Okay,
A.
now.
Why do you think people sometimes write mean comments online? I think because those people are just naturally mean and weak, or don't have positive soul, and they don't have empathy, they don't care, and they feels like they are always superior. Then B. How would you feel if someone said something bad about your post or picture? Personally, I would be sad and confused because why would someone hate my post? And then C. What makes comment good or helpful to others? I think it will be good if the tone they use in the message sound positive and they don't use some bad words. Then for next, D, if you saw a friend writing a rude comment, what would you do? I would just call my friend and say that that's not a nice thing to do. Just that's it. And then for the E, do you think commenting online is different from talking face to face? Why or why not? I think it's not so different because the message delivered, whether it's online or in real life, still got into our feeling. Either the message is good or bad. And then for F, how can we make social media more positive place? I think we should just share positive or at least harmless content. And plus, if we can do something better, we can share campaign of positivity. And then next, G, why is it important to think before you type? I think because we need to be careful, or the least we can do is being net neutral. If we cannot be positive, and we should always avoid hating without reasonable reason. And then, can you find any other example cases of hate comment online? I think some people who send hate because someone's with different skin color or different style. That's just it is, sir. Okay.
Oh, okay, okay. Thank you, Zena. Does anyone have different opinions on the questions answer?
No, sir. Same.
Same, yeah. The same, yeah. All of you guys have the same answer?
Yes, same.
Oh, okay then. Let's just go back to the. Did you know English has many loan words? Because it borrows words from many languages. Its vocabulary keeps growing every year. This is why English can look confusing at first, but it also means that many words you learn may already feel familiar. So it is okay to feel that English is difficult, yeah, because it's kind of a mashup from many language and actually kind of similar with Bahasa Indonesia because in Bahasa Indonesia we also have many language borrowed from Arabic, from Sanskrit, from Dutch, yeah. But it's all fine. So you guys will think that maybe English will be easy for you. That is okay. And maybe you guys will think that oh English is difficult. That's also okay because well English is could be difficult, but yeah, I would say for this class you guys had already done your reflection, jelas ya. So answer the question for your reflection after you learn from this book. Okay, everyone. Okay, what have you learned today? Does anybody want to? Okay, Kavin.
So what have I learned to what have you learned today? So I have learned about commenting positive on social media, and sir also teach me about silent letters from what apa namanya sir, vocabulary, ya, from vocabulary, ya.
Okay.
And have you understand the materials?
Oh,
Yeah, I understand the material, sir.
it's okay, Kavin.
Oh,
For B and C, let we just answer it together. Thank you, ya, Kavin. Okay, so for B, have you understand the materials? All of us. Have you guys understand the materials?
Yes.
Star.
Yes.
Understand.
And then, do you discover new things from today's
Yes, sir.
material?
Yes.
Yes.
Sir. Yes,
Oh, you guys had, yeah, okay. Well, I think, is there any other activity after this?
no, sir.
No? Okay, no, yeah. So, wait, before we ending this class, I just want to absent you real quick. Is there's any one of you who absent today?
Yes, sir.
Oh, who is it?
Kia. Kia is not here because Kia is sick.
Oh, okay then. All right. Thank you, yeah. Well, I think that is for today. Thank you for your enthusiasm, and I do hope your enthusiasm will never fade for English classes. And also keep spirit, yeah, guys, because I know that it is near the summative test. So please do keep spirit, yeah. Okay, so since we begin this class with prayers, let us end this class with prayers too. So let the prayer begin. May the prayers never end. Okay, thank you guys. Thank you all for coming today. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam.
그만큼 사랑을 줘